Yes. So I would just waiting for the cuckoo. I've been working on Clover for a little more than 10 years. I went from wearing safety glasses and a lab coat to an apron and a hairnet. At Clover, we were trying to get people that love eating meat to really love eating vegetables. And the goal of this is to have an impact on climate change. We had a lot of inventory. We didn't want it to all go to waste, so we sent out notes to our customers and said, if you want to sign up for a box share, we'll break it up. And we thought maybe we could recover 30% of what we had, and we ended up selling out even more than we had available. People took these boxes home, and then they were writing to us, what do I do with this? What do I do with that? That was one of the things that made me start realizing people are going to be in their kitchens and confronted with the opportunity to cook, but don't know where to start. So hopefully everybody can hear me. Hi, this is Ayr, and welcome to my kitchen. I've got Violet here with me, and Clementine, and Blue's going to join in a moment here. We're doing it live because I think it's nice at this moment to have something for people to tune into. I started this out to inspire people to play around with food at their home and in their kitchens, and building up a nice set of basic how to make soup, how to make bread, how to make different fun breakfast items, how to make some desserts that don't take much time. My kids join me for most of the show, so that makes everything feel a little easier. I think we've had some episodes where we've introduced our dogs and our chickens. People are sharing their results with us, and I have like an inbox with like 40 pictures of popovers. It's been fun to learn from people what works and what doesn't. I think of the kitchen as a little bit of a playground, and I think maybe some of this is my technical background, but this is like a little laboratory, and they're very complicated things we're doing. Some things we can measure, some we can't, but it's all a lot of fun.